been going on is that obviously I want to do this movie thing, but I've decided, for one, I have 2 AI accounts and I've been using the wrong one, so that's why I haven't had much credit on that. But what I was doing initially is writing the script, right, and then working from there and then going back. But what I think is going to be better and kind of more fun for me is these are some ideas that I had. This is like,
the afterlife is whatever you believe. What you want happens, but religion is irrelevant.
so these are some like initial, oh, I see. You just press play here. I'm just learning it all as I go along, so
Stop being dickheads and causing problems. Grow up, people.
Whoa. So these were some initial ideas. Oh, this is for a project that I did. Somebody wanted a girl turning into a werewolf. Normally this would cost a lot and take ages for an animator. Just took me minutes, And this was an idea I had for the film, dude. See, the cigarette just appears, lights without touching it. Then he puts the cigarette up and then he's like double, early days of trying to learn how to do stuff. Anyway, so what I wanted to do, again, if you've got any great ideas, let me know. Oh, here, this was like an initial idea I had for like a fight thing. It kind of looks all right, I guess. But it's like not, it's not really good. But I'll just have to get better at all that. So what I decided to do, I'm just rambling, that's all right. I'll edit it, make it all up later on. So instead of me writing the script and then editing the script and doing all that sort of stuff to make this AI movie, what I thought I'd do is just make the AI movie, instead of writing it down on words and then putting it up, I thought I would just convert it straight to AI thing and see how that goes. So hopefully then, and I'll try and do like, I don't know, maybe a half an hour every day. So I've got something to put up daily. Coffee. I went and hit the ice. There's a saltwater pool where I am at the moment. And it's all icy. So I hurt my shoulder, so it's kind of, just want to loosen it all up a little bit. So I've created the character prompt for my main person and I'll put them in there. And then I will write opponent. Now if I hit return here, it just starts to generate it, so I've got to be careful there. We'll call it 6'5", give him an Asian, muscular, 85 kilogram, short, black hair. Obviously I should write this better as a character sort of prompt. Location, prompt, I'll put, so let's put him in like a pit fight sort of situation, like, because this will be like the beginning of the movie, right? So you see him getting punched in the face and things. Inside a pit fight where the cars are circled in a car park and Jake and the opponent are in the middle fighting. It is night and undercover and the cars have their headlights on. Right, so I might use that as my main sort of thing, and I'll add to it and make it better and stuff. There we go. And so now here I'll put action prompt I should really break this up and make it sort of neater and easier so it's easier for AI to do the AI work. Jake gets punched in the face as he falls back. And I'm misspelling a lot of stuff here, so I'm hoping it's just going to make it up. I'm a terrible typer. I did a touch typing course once, but met a girl in the course and kind of stopped doing it. Jake gets punched in the face as he falls back and then is kicked with a front kick and smashes his back into the front of a car. And let's let the headlight smash. And the headlight smashes. Might want to spell that a bit better. I have that thing where sometimes letters get sort of jumbled a little bit. All right, well, let's make that one shot and see what it gives us, all right? Let's see if this Jake turns out similar to the other Jake. Oh, it's giving me two. I might have to change that so it only ever gives me one. I don't like it giving me two. Just because burns for the credits, right? Back at the beach, love being at the beach. Yeah, so I thought I'd do it like this, you know what I mean? Just sort of make it up, and that way it'd be more progress. I'd have something to show, something to do, you know? So I'm kind of waiting on this next feature film that I'm directing to have the script finalized. We're sort of just working on the creative side of all that at the moment. And then when that happens, then I just start picking the angles and shots and do all that sort of stuff. All right, so it's given us something here. Yeah, it looks kind of similar to our other Jake. Oh, it's not a video? Ah, so why isn't that a video? We're at the action prompt again. Now I'm concerned that it's not going to be able to do as much because it only has like, what, 9 seconds? And I find if you put too much in it, it just rushes through everything, which is not the film way to do things, right? Jake is fighting in the middle and he gets punched in the face and we'll get him to take a step back. Because this is how I write scripts, right? I just think of stuff and then I just write it down. So why don't I just write it down, put it straight in the AI and let it make the thing for me, right? Then in the middle it gets punched in the face and he takes a step back and then is kicked with a front kick to his face. Should we put it to his face? Yeah, let's kick him in the face. To the face, and then I'll get rid of this. This gets annoying. To his face, and he falls back onto the front of a car. Right, so what I didn't put in the last one was camera angles and prompts and all that sort of stuff. So I'll go and find the one that I did before. Here we are, lighting prompts, camera prompts. We'll see. Copy paste, copy paste. We'll go eye height 60mm. No, let's go 25mm. I'm using the RX, focus on the eyes. Distance from character 2 minutes. We'll keep it at that and see what that does, right? So let's stick all of this now into the AI generator and see what it gives us. Definitely on video this time. Yeah, we're on video. Let's see what happens, eh? Oh, that looks good though, that image where he's getting kicked into the car. I'm doing a screen recording, so hopefully I'll be able to, you know, put all this together and see what happens. Oh, coffee. Is there anything better than coffee? Like, here's the thing. I don't even like coffee that much. I just like the effects of coffee and the warm feeling it gives you. But I always get a mocha because I prefer chocolate over coffee. I have a weird theory about coffee, about people liking the taste of bitter things. I won't say it here because it's probably inappropriate. All right. So is this a video now? Don't tell me it's done another image. That's the same thing. Let's go video. Why wouldn't it make me a video? Am I doing something wrong here? Yeah, that's an image. Stop, motherfucker. That's what I want to create. Oh, I see what I've got. I had the wrong thing selected. Dumbass. I haven't done this for a little while, so I'm a bit out of skew, you know. I like those images though. If it creates it like that as a video, that's cool, man. See, so the colors of the cars are all different as well, so I guess you would have to be really specific. I hear what you can do is like create a image thing and then use that image as a base thing, but I'm just not sure. Again, I'm learning how to do this. You're watching me. If you've got any tips, any pointers, let me know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making this all up. But yeah, I'll just like pop out 2 or 3 shots each day maybe, and then, you know, over the course of, say, I don't know, 6 months to a year, it should end up with a feature film at the end. And the good thing then is we can sort of muck around, and if you guys want to leave suggestions, that would be amazing, because it's kind of what the point is, right? Like, I want to create something with people. I think that's what filmmaking for me has always been about, collaboration. So that's on you guys. Plus, like I said, if it makes money, you know, I'll put all that money back into the movie, and if it does well, then we'll use that to create a real life action movie. Let's have a look at it. We'll just play from there, or gotta do stuff. Oh. So it's meant to be a front kick. Who's this dude in the background doing stuff? Oh, he hit the ground hard though. I don't mind that. All right, so let's carry on from there then, eh? So, I guess what we'll just change now is the action. So, let's see. So Jake bounces on the ground, and his opponent stomps on his head, kicks his head. Maybe I can use some jiu-jitsu terms and see what happens. Opponent gets into the knee ride position and punches Jake hard in the face, and his head bounces off the ground. All right, so let's make it, we'll keep it 25. We'll make it, how far from the camera? Let's call it 50 centimeters. I want to know, I'm going to make it a camera frame and see what it does. Let's call it see you on the head. I reckon. Let's see what happens now. So I'll keep all the character prompts. I'll keep all the location prompts, so it sort of stays the same there. Keep the and then just change a little bit of action and a little bit of camera angle and sort of see what happens. And if I make a follow-on one, hopefully it'll keep the characters the same. I have this weird thing that happens with my hair where the hair sticks out the side. I've never been able to fix it up. It's one of those things, you know, in life. If you got curly hair, you want straight hair. If you got straight hair, you want curly hair. If it's black, you want it coloured. If you want it, you know, I mean, everybody always wants different things. Me, I've just never been that concerned about all that sort of stuff. You know, as long as I'm somewhat presentable to the world, I'm sort of okay, and you know, not embarrassing to somebody who happens to be around me. I think this is a better way to go. I think I can get more done this way, and you know, instead of being like, oh, I've got to write the script and do it, because scripts can take you years to write. This way, we're just putting it together and just seeing whatever happens, because you know, who cares, right? Why is he standing? He should be on the ground. Oh, that's the other one, isn't it? Hang on. Why does this car park have dirt? So what has it done there? It's added a cut and added it's scene building for me. All right, let's see what happens now then. So let's keep all that. Jake lays on the ground and his opponent raises his fists as the winner, celebrating. I'm just not sure yet how specific in the wording you have to be for everything to get it right. Celebrating, and the punters who are betting, some are happy and others are angry, depending on if they won or lost. Let's make this 25 mil again. Oh, sorry, that's 25. Whoa, we don't want that. We'll call it 2 meters. No, 3 meters. 25 mil. Focus on the crowd. We'll make the crowd the focus. We'll call it wide shot. All right, so now I'm curious whether or not it's going to just add it to the previous one, or if it's going to, yeah, I just don't know what it's going to do now. Because that last one, it took the first shot that we had and then just added the second shot to it. What I thought it would do is just give me the sections, and then I could just take that and put it in, you know, editing software, and then just cut it up like that. But this could be interesting. So maybe it can't build like more than 9 seconds, but it can build multiples of 9 seconds. Just keep building on and on and on. And I reckon I'm going to do it like at this early stage, one and done, you know, like whatever I get's whatever I get. So it's kind of funny and experimental as well. And then can always go back and then just fix it up later on if I want to create an actual AI movie to release. You know, we'll see what happens. I don't know. But I think this is the fun way to do it. I think this is the best way to go about this. We'll see. Oh, it started again. Look at that. So what's it? Oh, it doesn't tell you the time down here yet. I guess it's got to play it through once. It's building it. Who's this guy in the car in the background? Oh, yeah, I guess you would say remove the guy in the background. Whoa, that's a bad hit. So I don't know why it's doing that, but I'll put that up and this will be our video for the day. Oh, that's ridiculously stupid. Or why dirt pops out the back of his neck. All right, well, I'll put all that together, but you've already seen all that now. So like, comment, subscribe. I'll do some stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'll try and keep this sort of going daily. See, till I get bored enough, I suppose, and go from there. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Got a sore shoulder. If you got some remedies for sore shoulders, I think it's tight. I thought I dislocated it. Oh well, thank you very much. Yeah, enjoy.
Holy shit, I've seen this.
They cook evenly on both sides.
Cook evenly on both sides. 3 easy payments of $24.99.
Easy payments of $24.99. Holy hell, getting knocked out must have triggered the ability to read the future. I wonder what else I can do. Nope, can't do it yet.